Hey everyone, so I wanted to do a concealer comparison for swatches. So this is what this video is going to be, as you guys can see from the title. So these are the swatches that I have. This is medium tan 35, golden 40, which is their older shades. This is a new shade medium 36, and this is a new shade medium 38. So I will leave the colors down below, and I'll show you guys actually how much they oxidize. So I'll swatch medium tan right on top, and I'll zoom you guys in a little bit so you can actually see it. So medium tan on top, that's what it looks like when it's not oxidized or dried down actually. Golden 40, I'll put that one right on top so you can see the color. It doesn't look too different, but it is a little, just a tad bit lighter than what it normally would be. And then medium dark 36, which is my foundation shade, I believe. It's just a little bit darker, if you can see that. And then let's do medium 38. So there is medium 38. You can see it is just a little bit lighter. I don't know if you can really even tell from this, but those are the shades that I have. And for my foundation shades, I actually, let me just wipe this off. My foundation right now is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Honeycomb 20. It's a little, just a little bit light for me, but that's okay because when I put contour and everything, it looks fine. So what I like to do when I apply my concealer is actually put a more hydrating concealer under it. I cannot use the Colourpop concealers on its own. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply the Bare Minerals Bare Skin in Tan. This also acts as a color corrector, so I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on my under eyes. I actually need to spray my face. This foundation is pretty matte. I am running out of this one, so I'm just going to scrape whatever I have left. I have to use this as a base or else the Colourpop concealer will look a little muddy on me, so that is why. And then for my under eyes, I'm going to go in with Golden 40, which I will leave the shade on the screen. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply this one. You can see it's just a tad bit lighter. For the center of the face, I don't really mind having this shade on. I don't really mind having this shade on. I'm gonna go in with the same sponge. Also, my skin type is really dry, so if you guys have dry skin, I would recommend putting something under it. I sometimes forget going into the nose creases, so always make sure I do that. I like to take it on my eyelid. It will crease on your eyelids, but I like using it as an eyeshadow base, and I don't actually set it, so it's fine for me. So after I do that, I would just go ahead and spritz my face. Once again, I'm gonna go in with my Dermablend powder, which looks like that. And I'm going to just go ahead and set my under eyes. And then after that's done, I like to take a foundation powder and just kind of sweep it off. So that's what I'm gonna do. So that is what I look like now. I do really like the coverage of it. It is just a tad bit drying for me. Like I mentioned, it lasts throughout the whole day, and I just wanted to show you guys shade comparisons. So I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.